Okay, so this is our lentil and smoked bacon soup, and again we're doing your pretend you're dining out recipe, which is in the back of every pack.
So throw these in here. I'm actually using half of them because I don't need a lot of them.
Toss them in a hot frying pan with a little olive oil until they sizzle, which they're doing. Meanwhile, chop your parsley.
Oh my god, how on cue are we?
Ahead of me. And half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Where's the smoked paprika? Here
Right, are you going to throw a half teaspoon in here?
Okay.
Put that in here.
Stuck in the paprika, a good glug of olive oil.
And okay, yeah, go on. So we do it according to the recipe. We always do everything right. Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, Carl, stir in your chickpeas and float on top of the soup.
Check these out. These are old Cully and Sully. Do you remember the old ceramic dishes? Anybody out there remember the old ceramic dishes? Thecla in Cronin's in Crosshaven decided to paint them.
Oh.
It's meant to go in the middle.
Very simple thing to do.
It's actually gorgeous. Don't burn your mouth off the paprika you put in. Is it good?